Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to stop Google Chrome from opening on startup in Windows. So if you're coming across this problem, this tutorial will be for you. So we're going to go ahead and start by disabling the running background of apps in Google Chrome. So we're going to open up the Chrome web browser if it's not already open. Go select the three vertical dotted icon near the top right corner of your Chrome browser, where it should say Customize and Control Google Chrome when you're highlighting over it. Go ahead and left click on that, and then select Settings near the bottom of this context menu that appears. So give it a moment to load here. And now you want to scroll down to the bottom of this page where it says Advanced. You want to select that one time to expand the more advanced options. So now that you're here, we're going to go down to get to the system section. So scroll down a little bit. Should be something over here that says continue running background apps on Google Chrome is closed. If it's currently blue and it has a blue oval around it, you want to toggle it off by just selecting it one time. Should be turned to the gray position, meaning it's been turned off and will not run any background apps when Google Chrome is closed at this point. So go ahead and close out of here, and hopefully that's been able to resolve your problem. So I do hope that this brief tutorial was able to help you guys out, and as always, thank you for watching, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.